All right, good evening, everybody. Vice Forecaster JD Rat, back with you in the Brick and Mortar Center again. We just have another severe thunderstorm warning to pass along to you. This just got issued again. This is in parts of remains of 11:30 for South Central Whitney counties. At the time, a severe thunderstorm was located or on or over Williamsburg, moving east at 45 miles per hour. So hazard 60 miles of wind gusts and hail the size of quarters. So definitely we could see some potentially for some hail and some damage and winds up to 60 miles per hour with the storm. So we definitely want to be keeping an eye on that. So this runs in effect until 11:30. Some gusty winds is also going to be possible with the storm. So we need to be keeping an eye on that. So we'll pull up the potential for hail here, and you can just see we'll load very little hail with the storm, but the wind threat could be some damaging winds up to 60 or more. Let the storm it could gust up to 60 or more. Or here's our other tool, and yeah, if you're in Williamsburg, um, Brent's store or Wheeler Pier, Flat Leak, or any of these areas, and it's probably going to be that kind of thunderstorm, a severe thunderstorm warning into about 11 to 11:30 tonight. Gusty winds will be the main thing with these storms, and I also want to pass along a few reports while we're on here from Alabama. Starting to get one report of the dying for nickel-sized hail from social media, and I'm afraid we'll have a few advisories with these storms, a few spin-ups later, and we'll have to watch these storms later, but and a little circulation right there. Let me pull up the different tool what we do use around here just to see. I don't see any couplets, so that isn't good news. We don't have a tornado. So we'll continue to keep you updated. Remember, Alabama is under a tornado watch that goes in effect, and that expires around 1 a.m. So we'll continue to keep you updated. And just looking at the rainfall, a very heavy rainfall from this, almost maybe an inch. Some places are showing almost 1 inch. So this is some very heavy rainfall. Let's continue with these storms. So we'll continue to keep you updated, and I'll break back in. I'm Vice Forecaster JD Rapp with you. We'll continue to break in to let you know what's going on.